It's on. Okay, so I'm back to work on this thing. Let me see if I can adjust. Oh, is that too far? Okay, so I went to the store, got this punch, and it works. Got that pin out of there. So that's out of the way. So now I got to get this window mechanism out of here. I tried to crank it, but it doesn't seem like it wants to move very much. So I got to take it apart and lubricate it. So let's see where the heck. Oh, here it is. And my hammer, impact driver. So loosening type screws. What you do is you put it there and put pressure in the direction you're going, and you hit it with the hammer, and it starts things turning, and then this is a screwdriver. Once it's loose, you should be able to get it out of there, but it's not loose. A little bit more juice, not that it can get in behind. Let's see if this is any better. Yeah, it's got a better bite than the screwdriver. But what I'm thinking is I ought to take it out the rest of the way with vice grips so I don't support that screw. For a second. Okay. I'm back. Doesn't want to grab. And I think I've already ruined that screw. There we go. The washer broke. Two halves. Okay, I got 3 more screws to take out. No point in wasting your time watching it. So if I can turn this off. Okay, all the screws are out. So now it's time to try to remove the whole mechanism from the door. Let's see, do I have, yeah, this is a screwdriver. Let's see if I can get this out. Move this down. The problem is that broken piece of glass. Let's see if we can move the whole. It's not cooperating. think that's the end of the track. And it didn't come off the track. Ow! There's something to watch out for. Pinching your fingers. Where's the handle? Let's try. Well, at least it's turning. Now, it's way up top. I think the problem is that broken piece of glass in there. Oh yeah. Well, this is going to take a while, so I'm going to save you the boring details. Well, it didn't take as long as I thought it would. Here's the broken glass, and here's what the hold up is. Just trying to get that. The slide out of there, out of the slot. I don't know if I can go this way or if I should go that way. Yeah. I have to get that thing out of the slot. That seems to be working this direction. Okay, but now that I've gone that far, yes. There. Get that out. And there's my window. Gotta remember this goes towards the front. I gotta replace that glass. It doesn't look very useful. Put that out of the way. Ta-da! There it is. Now I just gotta lube it up, loosen it up, and put it in the other door. I wouldn't even be working on this today, except I had an accident with the Mustang. I didn't crash it or anything. I took out the, you watching me or you watching the door? I took out the distributor because I thought the timing was off by 1 notch. I had to shove it all the way counterclockwise to make it run right. So I figured I'd take out the distributor and move it over 1 notch, and then I can put the distributor back where it belongs. So sounded easy enough, but then when I pulled out the distributor, the shaft for the oil pump came with it. So I took the shaft out of the distributor and tried to stick it back down in the oil pump, and it missed and it fell into the oil pan. So now it's down in the pan, and I can't hook up the oil pump to the distributor. So I figured I either got to take off the oil pan, you know, jack up the car and drop the cross member and all that stuff and pull the oil pan out and drain the oil, or I could go up to the store and order another shaft. So that's what I did. So while I'm waiting for a shaft, I figured I might as well finish this up. And now all that's left to do is I got to take off this door handle with that nice punch that I bought. And look at my hands. I'm going to get this crap all over the camera when I shut it off. Okay, so these screws came out easy, and it's kind of loose. These screws didn't give me too much trouble either. They've been in there 81 years, as far as I can tell. But these 3 here just will not budge. I beat them like a red-headed stepchild, and it still didn't budge. They're still at the same position before I started beating on them. So what I did, I took my light, put it up inside the door, and I sprayed the back side of them down through here. So I'm gonna have to let them sit for a while and soap, and then I'll try it again. But the other doors also give me a problem, but it's different. This door, I won't let go of these two screws. These are gone. All the screws, those three are gone, but these two are holding out, so I did the same thing. I sprayed down in the crack with the light in there so I could get on all the screws, and I got them soaking pretty good. So for now, I guess I'm gonna have to walk away from it because nothing's working. If I can't get it off tomorrow, I've got to get the torches and get up inside there and heat them up one at a time and remove them. And probably the same thing with that door. But we'll give them one last chance. See if this PB blaster does its job. Penetrating lubricant. I know it doesn't dry up like WD-40 and that makes it rust more. But this can cost me $1 more than this punch. So it's an expensive can of stuff, but then I don't know what WD-40 costs. I think that punch was around $7, this is around $8. But anyway, that's where I'm at. Can't get it apart. Got the window crank out, got the window itself out, what's left of it, and found me a high-priced paper towel. They call them shop rags, but they're really just glorified paper towels. So I guess that's it for now. I've got to turn off my lights. Go see if Judge Judy is on yet.